তো যেটা বলছিলাম যে হেলথ প্রমোশনের ওয়েল নোন ইন্টারভেনশন বা ওয়েল নোন মেথড হচ্ছে চারটা: হেলথ এডুকেশন, এনভায়রনমেন্টাল মডিফিকেশনস, nutritional interventions, lifestyle and behavioral changes. Examples of effective health promotion activities for child and family health: promoting breastfeeding, promoting child and family nutrition, AIDS prevention and education, injury prevention, promoting physical activity, smoking cessation programs such as quit activities or brief interventions. 5 principles of health promotion. There are 5 principles. A broad and positive health concept: participation and involvement, action and action competence, a setting perspective and equity in health. Basic strategies for health promotion. The small circle stands for the 3 basic strategies for health promotion: enabling, mediating and advocacy. Aim of health promotion. Health promotion action aims at reducing differences in current health status and ensuring equal opportunities and resources to enable all people to achieve their fullest health potential. Pillars of health promotions. There are 5 pillars of health promotions according to WHO. Number 1, build healthy public policy, create supportive environments, strengthen community actions, develop personal skills, and reorient health services. So these are the 5 pillars of health promotions according to WHO. Health promotion program. Health promotion programs are a coordinated group of activities directed towards achieving defined objectives and targets delivered by a wide range of organizations and health professionals. Developing health promotion programs in primary healthcare setting. Health promotion is a fundamental aspect of primary healthcare strategy and will contribute to a population health focus in primary care. Developing a health promotion program is a skilled task and should be undertaken by those with health promotion competencies and experience. Health promotion programs should demonstrate the principles of health promotion practice based on a recognized health promotion planning approach, how they will work together with local communities to develop appropriate health promotion programs for health gain, how they will involve at all levels the decision making, planning, development and delivery of health promotion program in primary healthcare setting. কিছু অদ্ভুত শব্দ আসছে, এটা আমি পরে স্লাইড কারেকশন করব। How they will link with specific communities in planning, development and delivery of health promotion programs in primary healthcare setting, how they will influence wider determinants of health and identify ways of strengthening protective factors, reducing risk factors and reducing inequalities in health. Partnership with affected communities in decision about health promotion priorities, design, action and evaluation. Collaboration with existing health promotion provider to build on existing program and services, how they align with local, regional, national strategic goals and priorities, and how they will ensure the quality of health promotion services. তাহলে এইটুকুই ছিল। তো এর মধ্যে হেলথ এডুকেশন এবং হেলথ প্রমোশনের বেসিক জিনিসগুলো আছে, এগুলো আরো আপনাদের বই থেকে আরো বিস্তারিত দেখবেন। কারো কোনো প্রশ্ন আছে? আমাদের সময় শেষ, লাইন আবার কেটে যেতে পারে যে কোনো সময়।
প্রশ্ন নাই স্যার।
আচ্ছা, তাহলে আজকের মতো ক্লাস শেষ করে দিই। আর এখন নেক্সট শুক্রবারে আবার ক্লাস হবে। শুক্রবারের ক্লাসগুলোর লিংক কালকে দিয়ে দিব। আচ্ছা, তো তাহলে
থ্যাংক
শেষ
ইউ স্যার।
আল্লাহ হাফেজ।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।